Hey guys, my name's Justin and welcome to Hellsborough, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. Ooh, I don't know. So for today's video, I have an unboxing. You probably could tell from the description, the title of the video, whatever. I don't know, I'm super excited about it. So what I got is actually from Telfar, and it's from the Rainbow drop that they did. If you're not aware, Rainbow is this very like fast fashion-y, low price store that I guess it came from New York, but I've seen it like in so many places down in Miami. I don't know, just all along the East Coast. I don't know if it's on the West Coast necessarily, but like what Telfar did was he like, I guess emptied out the store and like loaded it full of Telfar bags. The whole thing was like, if you were in the area, or I guess if you just wanted to go, you could line up day of the event and they would like let people in and buy up to 5 bags of any color, any size, none of the collabs, none of like the limited edition ones, or any of the like special bags like the circle bag or the duffel or anything like that. But what I thought was really considered is that he acknowledged like he has fans all over the world. He also did the Rainbow drop online, and it worked similarly to the Rainbow drop in store, where like digitally we queued up and they like let in a certain amount of people into the online store at a certain time, and you could like go through and buy whatever bags in whatever color and size you wanted. And I got a couple of bags. So the one thing for me is like I did get 2 bags, but then they sent 1 box, and I'm wondering because when you buy from the European Telfar website, it normally comes from like, I think like Italy. I know like they make some of the bags from there, but this time it came from New Jersey, and because customs was like a part of it, like the payment, I'm guessing maybe they tried putting multiple bags in 1 box to save on customs costs for them and for me. I'm not so sure what ended up happening, and I'm not so sure if there's even 2 bags in here, so if it doesn't go to plan, you might see a grown man cry on camera, so. But I don't know, let's see, let's just dig in. As I'm opening it, I'll kind of like let you know how my personal experience was. It's like this dinky little thing, but it's like a box cutter. So basically, when I signed online at the appropriate time, it's actually kind of fun because I went back into the US site and used my US account, which I haven't done in a while, obviously. You click to enter the website, and then you get put into a queue, and I think I was like super early because I only had to wait like 5 minutes. And I think it was like a global thing, because I'm pretty sure I bought it at like 6 p.m. I was at like a dinner party when it happened. I was like, excuse me, I'm just gonna take this in the hallway. But I mean, you do what you gotta do, right? And I only had to wait like, I think like maybe 9 minutes, 5 to 9 minutes, something like that, before like I got in and I could see like all the colors were pretty much available, all the sizes were available. So I picked the ones that I wanted, added them to my cart, paid for it, and then I like linked up with my sister. I texted her, I was like, oh, how's it going? Did you get the bags you want? And she's like, I'm still in line. And she showed me a screenshot where it was like, you have 29 minutes left. And I was like, are you freaking kidding me? It literally was like how the Rainbow drop was, but online, and I think that's so fun. If I was close enough to New York, I would have wanted to actually go to it because it would have just been so fun to like experience it. I know Telfar was there for a short time. There's like a personality that Telfar hires for like a lot of his events, like for Telfar Uggs and some of the other things in Telfar TV. Jito, he is hilarious. He's the one who was saying, all I want this holiday is Telfar Uggs, Telfar Uggs. And I literally, every Christmas, I sing it to myself. I mean, I guess it's only been like 1 Christmas since it's happened. I know I'm not unboxing it, but I'm realizing now that I cannot multitask with talking and doing something like with my hands. So, you know, that's a fun discovery to make on camera. My sister ended up getting the bag she wanted to, but then she also like messaged me like a month ago, and she was like, oh my god, I love my bag, I have it already. And I was like, I don't have mine. I actually was one of the people who was so late that to make up for it, Telfar, you know, sent like an apology email and, you know, sent like a benefit kind of thing. So I really appreciate that. Really good customer service. And look, the 2 bags are in here. You're not gonna see me cry. Sorry. It's interesting because like normally when you buy a bag, the box is perfectly fit to the bag, but then it seems like they kind of like just like shove this one in since it's small. But yeah, so I got two. I got a small and a medium. And then they, you know, they come with like the dust bag, they come in the plastic bag, which, by the way, hot tip, I know I've said this a million times, keep the plastic bag and you can put like dirty underwear and socks when you're on like a trip or whatever. It's perfect for that. And then same for the dust bag, like sure you can keep your bag in it, but you can also like put other stuff in it too when you're like traveling or something like that. Or if you have a basket bag that doesn't have a lining or a thing like that, drop this in there. But yeah, I don't know which one to open first. Let's go with the small one, because I think that one's a newer color. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so then it's the same plastic bag. And actually, like, if you go to the beach, flip-flops. Perfect. Okay. I don't remember what the color looks like, so hopefully I still like it. Oh my god. Okay, so I got the highlighter yellow, yes. Oh, fun! So instead of paper wrapped around the handles, it's like a little Velcro thing that has Telfar branding. Oh my god. I'm gonna use this for like, cables or something. I don't know. I'm gonna use it for something fun. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I have a video about how much I love packaging. It goes into like why I think people like it, and maybe it's just like an introspection, but like I'll link it in the corner, you can see, but look at it. It's a little Velcro thing. Oh, you can for sure like put your cables up in here. That's so cute. Telfar, established 2005, New York City. Oh my god. And then there's still the little paper one around the back. I'm just gonna open it. Yeah, yep, I love it. And then of course it's the same quality as ever. This is something where like you have to wear it to get the straps to not be so wonky. Yep, same as ever. There's the magnetic clasp closure logo tag, and then of course it comes with like a little tag that you cut off. Ooh, and look at that lighting, dang. You are not gonna lose anything in there. I mean, it's tiny, so you're not gonna lose anything, but like, whew! Oh, this is fun. I love this color. Okay. So I'm not gonna go like super into detail about the bag. I have done like a full review of the Telfar Small. I'll link it in the corner and put it in the description, anywhere you normally find links. I want to wear this with like a completely like black and white or all black look or something, and then just have this be like, look at me. On to the next one. Okay, so I fully remember what this color is. So this is a color that I think when it got released, there was like a lot of like talk on Twitter about it being like, sure, that's what the color's supposed to be. And like, at the time I was like, I don't like that color, that's weird. I actually thought it was like glow in the dark color for some reason. Other people started like pointing out that it looks like another thing. So the color that this one is the glue. Oh god. Yeah. So this one is glue colored. I definitely think it looks like glue because it's almost like a yellowy underneath, but it's like a cool yellow. So I don't know exactly what's going on with like the lighting, but this light is like kind of washing it out, making it look white, but I guarantee if you go to the website, it looks like the color on the website. It's that kind of like greeny, yellowy white. And then the inside for sure is like very much that color. Like maybe a little less green, but still like that like yellowy, creamy, but a cool yellow. I don't know if that even makes sense. Oh, it comes with the same thing, same Velcro thing. I love this. I'm so gonna use this. I love that like the way that Telfar packages their bags is like every single part of it you can reuse. The box is great if you're shipping out something that's like slender. It's a super sturdy box. The plastic bag, the dust bag, and now this. To me, that is sustainability. You know, like, sure, reduce is the first step, but then when you reuse things, I think that offers the most longevity. So it's like, instead of like wasting plastic, it's something that you can reuse. This is great. I wanted a white bag, but I didn't want like a white bag, because, under this light, it does look more like glow in the dark, right? Like, it doesn't look so much like glue. Also, I'm not 100% sure I know what glue looks like, but I love this. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna wear this with, but definitely like with like darker outfits for a little bit of contrast or something like that. I have one in black that I use for work 100%. I actually don't use it for fun anymore. I'm almost wondering like maybe I'll swap it around to like let this be my work bag, so then maybe I can like reclaim my black bag for more casual use. Or maybe I'll use this more casually first and then swap it around. We'll see. Maybe during summer I'll have my blue bag be for work. And then again, I'm not gonna go into the details. I also have a review for the, like a full review for the medium, and I'll link that in the corner. But, you know, the lining I showed, but then it has the zippered pocket instead, special tag, and then, of course, the hand carry strap, shoulder/crossbody strap. All Telfar bags kind of come like this, so they all come a little folded, but with use, of course, it changes. Oh yeah, and then one thing I wanted to mention too is like, I also have like a full review of like the different Telfar sizes. I'll link that in the corner if you're interested. But yeah, oh my god, it looks like, it's like Gatorade, highlighter yellow, and then blue. What a motley combination of colors I chose. I don't know if I like them together. That's my unboxing of my Telfars from the Rainbow drop. I fully recognize that everyone who's gotten something from the Rainbow drop has probably already gotten it, but I figured I might as well share my experience and say how it went. And again, like, I know like I got my bag super late, but Telfar constantly like does things to make up for the fact that like if they make a mistake or something doesn't go right on their end, they make up for it. I'm like a pretty loyal customer and they sent me a code for like a complimentary belt or something like that. That's another thing that makes them feel very like luxury, even though they do these fun casual things at like fast fashion-y, like low cost clothing stores. Like, I love it. And I love these colors. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this looks like highlighter yellow and blue? I do. Did any of you guys do the rainbow drop? And like, how did it go for you? Did you get the colors you wanted? I'm super curious. I love hearing from you guys, and I don't know, I love talking about the experience of Telfar. I think the community is a huge aspect to it, and like, I don't have a huge community here, so feel free to chime in. But that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Lets me know that you like this kind of content, and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time, highlighter yellow and blue.